Morning everyone, I hope you're well. So this is our next lesson on tens and ones. So yesterday we did looking at finding tens and ones in a number, and if you remember it was the pictures of Numicon and we were adding them together. So for example, we had 10 add 5 equals 15, and we knew that in the number 15 the 1 actually represented 10 and the 0 was hiding behind the ones. So this is our next lesson in that. This video is a little bit different because each slide is a question. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll read you the question and then I will just wait. I will stop here and stop talking and give you about 20 seconds for you to then work out what the number is. Okay, and then when I start again, that's when we'll give you the answer. If you feel like you need more time before I start talking, you can just pause the video, but I thought it was easier for me to just wait, and then it takes away the faff of you pausing and starting again. Okay, so you'll just need some paper and a pencil. That's it. Okay, right. So it just says, what is the number? So if you look there, you've got a certain amount of tens and a certain amount of ones. So you can see in that 10 stick, you could count that in ones. You could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But do you remember that we say at school that that can take ages? So that is just one 10 stick. And if it's one 10 stick, it is just 10. So you've got 1 10 and a 1. So what number have you got all together? So I'm going to wait here for 20 seconds while you work that out and write it down. Okay, so you don't need to pause the video, I will just wait. So I'm just going to wait and count to 20 in my head. Okay, hopefully you have written something down. So what is the number? Hopefully you got it. So you had 1 10 and 1 1. So the number would have been 11. The first one representing the 10, where the 0 is hidden behind the 1, and the second one just representing the ones. Okay, next question. So what is the number? Okay, so look at how many tens you've got. Remember to count in tens. If you count them all individually, it will take ages. So you can go 10, 20, and you can count in tens like that. Okay, so again, I'm going to wait for 20 seconds while you write that down. So you don't need to pause the video. I'm going to count to 20. Okay. Okay, hopefully you wrote something down there. So what is the number? So you would have counted the tens and gone 10, 20, 30, and then to go to the ones. I know you know how to do this. You count on then in the ones. So you've got 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Let's see. There we go. Lovely. So give yourself a tick if you got that right. If you didn't, you can just write the correction next to it and have a go for next time. So what is the number? So again, remember to count in your tens. So you can go 10, 20, 30, and then when you get to the end of your tens, you need to then count in ones. So 31 if it were, or 61 if it were. You need to make sure you stop counting in tens and start counting in ones. So again, I'm going to give you 20 seconds, so you don't need to pause the video. I'll give you 20 seconds and then we'll work the answer out. So write it down yourself, okay? Okay, that's your 20 seconds. So what is the number? So tens, we had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then we needed to move to counting in ones. We had 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So you should have got 56. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. Oh, it's a bigger number here. Perhaps I'll give you 25 seconds instead. So what is the number? So look at those tens and look at those ones. Remember to count in tens and then switch to counting in ones. This one is a bit trickier. I'll give you 25 seconds. Okay, so write your answer down and I'll give you the answer in 25 seconds. Okay, so that was your 25 seconds. Let's have a look at this one. It goes a bit higher, doesn't it? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. So 8 tens is going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. It's got 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Let's have a look. There we go. Okay. Right. I think this might be the last one, but let's have a look. So again, what is the number? Again, it is a higher number. Okay, so you're going to have to count the tens first and then switch to counting in ones. Okay, so do that and write your answer down. I'm going to give you 25 seconds again. Off you go. Okay, so we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So you had 9 tens, and then 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So that one was 95. There we go. Okay. Oh, sorry, it might be this one. I'm not sure. So what is the number? Let's just do this very last one to be finished for our maths for the day. Okay, so remember to count your tens first and then move to counting in ones. I'm going to give you 20 seconds for this because I think you've had lots of practice now. So 20 seconds, write your answer down, then I'll tell you what it is. Off you go. Okay, that was your 20 seconds. So your tens, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. So 8 tens is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, then 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. So that number there was 88. Okay, well done, year one. Hope you got lots of those right. I bet you did. You've been really, really good at place value with this. So well done. So that was your maths for the day. I will see you tomorrow. Okay.